Hello students, good morning to all of you. Last class we were discussing about mensuration. In that exercise 10.1, few problems we discussed. Now in that exercise 10.1, continuation of the problems. So see here, I think 4 questions was completed. Fifth one I asked you to do yourself. So whether those whoever did, whether you are correct or not, procedure, everything you check out. Those who did not complete, please listen carefully here. Fifth question: a self-help group wants to manufacture joker caps of 3 cm radius and 4 cm height. What is the cap? Radius of a cap? Radius is equal to 3 centimeters, and the height of a cap is equal to 4 centimeter. This is joker cap, and this height is 4 centimeters, and the radius is 3 centimeter. Slant height we have to find out. Slant height we have to find out. Okay. See why we have to find out this slant height. See here. Just a second. A joker cap is made. It is in the shape of a cone. So material required to make the cap is CSA. CSA means this is slant height into semi circumference of the base. Pi RL formula. Pi R L. So slant height is equal to L is equal to root of h square plus r square. L is equal to root of 4 square plus 3 square. L is equal to root 16 plus 9. L is equal to root 25. That is equal to 5 centimeters. Slant height is equal to 5 centimeters. Now what they ask here, how many caps can be made with the available sheet? 1000 centimeter square sheet is available. 1000 square centimeter sheet is available. In that 1000 centimeter square, how many caps can be made? Means sheet available is equal to sheet available is equal to 1000 centimeter square. Now, how many caps means in this sheet? How many caps you can make? 1000 centimeter means the total sheet available by each cap material required. Material required to make each cap means number of joker caps. Number of caps is equal to material available by CSA of a cone. CSA of a cone. Why cone? Because joker cap is cone shape only. CSA, why CSA required? Why we have to take CSA only? Why not TSA? Because joker cap to hold the way it will be open. Base is open one, circular basis. So material is 1000 centimeter square, and formula of this one is pi r l. Are they mentioned pi value to any number? No. So use 22/7 only, because they did not mention. If they mentioned 3.14, then we can use it, but they did not mention 3.14. So until and unless they don't mention, we don't take any other value. Okay. So that is equal to 1000 into 1000 by 22/7 into R value is 3 and L value is 5. L value is 5. Now 5 1s are 5 2s are 10 and 0 0. Do you get any cancellation? Now that is equal to 200 into 7 by 22 into 3. 11 twos are 22, 1100 are. That is equal to 700 by 6. That is equal to 700 divided with 6 here. 6 ones are 6, 1 0, 6 ones are 6, 10 minus 6 4 0. Okay, 6 6 are 36, 4.0, 6 6 are 36. Okay, it continues, means 116.66 something again. Therefore, number of caps are only integral part only you have to take. So therefore, number of caps can be made is equal to 160 caps. Integral part, decimal part is only material, wastage of the material. That additional material which is with that additional material we can't make the cap. Okay. See here what they are given here. A self-help group wants to make a joker caps of conical cap of 3 cm radius and 4 cm height. If the available color paper sheet is 1000 cm square, then how many caps can be manufactured from that sheet? Okay. Check out once again calculation. Radius is 3 cm and height is 4 cm. First slant height. Slant height is equal to L. L is equal to root of h square plus r square equal to 5 cm. Sheet available. Paper sheet available is equal to 1000 cm square. Now number of caps is equal to material available by CSA of a cone. CSA of a cone is pi r L formula. 1000 by 22 by 7 into 3 into L is 5. 5 ones are 5 200s are 22 by 7 into 3 here. So this 7 will come in numerator. 200 into 7 by 22 into 3, 11. Yes. There is a calculation mistake, sir. Please correct it. 2 11s are this. Sorry, correct it is 11, not 11 to the 2 11s are 200s are 700 by 11 into 3, 33 is. Now divide this one with 33. Please correct it, sir. 700 divided with 33. 33 twos are 66. 33 twos are 66. 10 minus 6 4 0. 33 ones are 33. 10 minus 3 7. 4 3 minus 3 0. 0. So 11 twos are 66. Sorry, 33 twos are 66. It continues. So still any calculation mistakes are made. 22 by 7 into 3 into 5. 5 ones are 5 200s are. 1000 only, no, not 10,000, no. Yes, 1000 only. So 22 into 3 into 5 by 7. 100 into 7 by 22 into 3. 2 11s are 200s are. 100 into 7 700 by 11 is 33. 33 divide 700 divided with 33. Then 21.2 you get 21 caps. Still any calculations are there? Please check out because I have an old book. In that one values are these only. So check once. Okay. Next is the directions are that is 21 caps. Next one is 6th question. So 6th question. A cylinder and cone have base of equal radii and are equal heights. A cylinder and a cone have bases of equal radii and equal heights. Show that the volume of their ratios are in 3:1. Volume of show that their volumes are in the ratio of 3:1. What they given order? First cylinder they given, next cone they given. So you need to proceed with the cone and cylinder and cone only. A cylinder and a cone, same radii R and same height H, same height and same radii. Show that their volumes are in the ratio of 3:1. So see here, radius of cylinder and cone is equal to R, and height of a cone and cylinder, height of cylinder and a cone H, both are equal, they given now. So now find it, show that the ratios are in the ratio of ratios of the volumes, means volume of cylinder by volume of cone. Volume of cylinder is the base into area of the base into height, that is equal to pi r square h, and the volume of the cone is 1 by 3 area of the base into height. Area of the base is pi r square into h. Now pi r square h1, pi r square h1, that is equal to 1 by 3. If I write in a ratio, that is 3 by 1, it becomes 3 by 1. Therefore, volume of cylinder is to volume of cone. Volume of cone is equal to 3 by 1 means 3:1. 3:1. Please write down. Volume of the cylinder is to volume of the cone is equal to 3:1. Three is to 1. Next question. Next one is a seventh question. The shape of a solid iron rod is cylindrical. Its height is 11 centimeter. Shape of a solid iron rod is cylindrical. Its height is 11 centimeter and base diameter is 7 centimeters and this height is 11 centimeters. Find the total volume of 50 such rods. Total volume of 50 such rods. Okay. See here, diameter of the rod is equal to diameter of rod is equal to 7 centimeter. Diameter only know the shape of an iron rod is cylindrical, its height is 11 centimeter and base diameter is 7 centimeter and radius is equal to 7 by 2 centimeters. Height of a cylindrical rod. Height of a cylindrical rod is equal to 11 centimeters. Height of a cylindrical rod is equal to 11 centimeters. Cylindrical rod height is equal to 11 centimeters. Now, volume of the rod means how many rods they asked? 50 rods volume they asked. Volume of 50 rods. Volume of 50 rods is equal to 50 into what is the volume of cylinder? Pi r square h. That is equal to 50 into 22 by 7 into r value is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 that is equal to 25 into 11 into 7 into 11. Now 25 7 plus 175, 11 11 plus 121. This 25 7 175, 11 11 the 121. Now multiply and write this one 175 into 121. 5 7 1 2 5 10 2 7 14 plus 115 2 1 2 plus 1 3 5 7 1 5 7 10 11 8 plus 11 that is equal to 21,175 cubic centimeters. Volume will be cubic units. Is it visible to you? Okay, 21,175 cubic units, cubic centimeters. Okay, if you convert into meters, that is another one is a cubic meters is you can convert it, but centimeter cube is they asked. Okay, volume of 50 rods is equal to volume of 50 such rods is equal to 50 into volume of one cylinder. One cylindrical volume is equal to pi r square h formula. So 21,175 cubic centimeters. Okay, am I clear? Okay, diameter given. Read the question carefully. Whether they given a diameter or radius. Diameter given 7 cm. Radius is equal to 7.2 cm. Height of a cylinder equal to 11 cm. They only mentioned. Volume of 50 rods is equal to 50 into volume formula is 50 into pi r square h. 50 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 11. 7 7 cancel. 2 11 so 225. So 25 into 11 into 7 into 11. 25 7 the 175. 11 11 the 121. Multiply it. You get the 21,175 cubic centimeters. Okay. Next, seventh question. A heap of rice in the form of a cone of diameter 12 meters and height 8 meters. Find its volume. How much canvas cloth required to cover the heap? To cover the heap. Canvas cloth also they asked. A heap of a rice of the form of a cone, diameter 12 meters and height is 8 meters. Generally you can find out the rice and in villages they pour in a row and road only and ground. In the shape of a heap they pour here. In the shape of a heap. So like this they pour the rice. Okay. Now a heap in the form of a conical shape and diameter is 12 meters. Diameter is equal to 12 meters. And the height is equal to 8 meters. Height is equal to 8 meters. Diameter is equal to diameter of a heap is equal to diameter of heap. Diameter is equal to 12 meters. Then radius is equal to 12 by 2, 6 meters. Height of the heap is equal to 8 meters. Okay. Now first question is find its volume. Simple question only. First one is find its volume. Volume of heap. Okay. The heap of a rice. Volume of heap of a volume of a heap is equal. Find its volume. Volume of heap is equal to heap of rice is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h formula. Volume of a cone formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 into 22 by 7. Are they mentioned 3.14? Yes, they mentioned 3.14, so I go with the 3.14. 3.14 into R is 6 into 6 into height is 8 meters. So 3 ones, 3 twos. Now 3.14 into 6 twos are 12, 12 8 are 96. Sorry. 96. Okay, multiply it. So 3.14 into 96, 6 fours are 24, 6 ones are 6 plus 2 8, 6 threes are 18, 9 fours are 36, 9 ones are 9 plus 3 12, 9 threes are 27 plus 1 28, 4 14 11 9 10 3. Check once again calculation whether I wrote correct or not. Okay, 301.2 digits after point now. So that is equal to 301.44 cubic centimeters. Sorry, cubic meters. Cubic meters. Okay, volume completed. But in this question they asked two questions they asked. And how much canvas cloth required to cover the heap? Canvas cloth required means you will cover this area one, means CSA. Means CSA required. CSA formula, CSA of a cone is equal to pi r L. R you have, L you don't have. First find out the L value. L is equal to root of h square plus r square. That is equal to 6 square, 8 square plus 6 square. That is equal to 64 plus 36 is equal to root 100. Now L is equal to 10 meters. Now canvas cloth required to cover the heap. Canvas cloth required to cover the heap is equal to CSA of a cone pi r L. To cover the heap is pi r L formula. Pi r L. That is equal to 3.14 into radius is 6 meters and the height is slant wise is 10. That is equal to 31.4 into 6 because I got 0 no. Now 6 fours are 24, 6 ones are 6 plus 2 8, 6 threes are 12, 128.4 square meters. 6 threes are 80. 6 fours are 24, 6 ones are 6 plus 2 8, 6 threes are 80. 188.4 square meters. 188.4 square meters. Okay, please write down fast, make it fast. Okay, yeah. Next one. Next to last question in this exercise. 8th one. The curved surface area of a cone is 4070 square centimeters and diameter 70 centimeters. What is its slant height? The curved surface area of a cone is 4000 centimeters, 4070 centimeters square. Now radius of the cone is equal to 70 centimeter. Radius or diameter? Diameter is equal to 70 centimeters. Diameter is equal to 70 centimeters. Diameter equal to 70 centimeters. Now CSA of a cone. CSA of a cone is equal to 4070 centimeter square. That is pi r l is equal to 4070. This is 22 by 7 into radius is area, diameter it is. So radius is 70 by 2 into l is equal to 4070. Now 7 ones are 7 tens are 2 ones are 2 5s are. Okay. First radius will find out better. 2 times cancellation. Radius is equal to 70 by 2 is equal to 35 centimeters. Now CSA of a cone is equal to CSA of a cone is equal to 4070 centimeters square. Formula is pi r l is equal to 4070. 22 by 7 into radius is 35 into slant height is l is equal to 4070. 7 ones are 7 5s are. This is 22 5s are 110. 110 into l is equal to 4070. Now l is equal to 4070 by 110 0 0. 11 3 are 33 7 7 7 7 11 7 7 7. L is equal to 37 centimeters. L is equal to 37 centimeters. This is diameter is 70 centimeters given. Okay. Please write down. Diameter of a cone is equal to 70 centimeters. Radius is 35 centimeters. CSA of a cone 4070 centimeters square. Then formula pi r is equal to 4070 centimeters. 22 by 7 into 35 into l is equal to 4077. 5 is 22 into 5. 110 is into l is equal to 4070. L is equal to 4070 by 110. Okay. Please write down. With this exercise finished, the next exercise, the second exercise will be discussed in the next class. Thank you.